Good morning. So here we are again, Wednesday. How are we all doing today? Hope we're all good. We are going to be looking at long division today. Bit of a revision for us. Now I know again this is one of the things that we find a little bit tricky, so I'm going to run through an example just to remind you exactly how we're going to do it. So first things first, I've got my calculation up here. And I know I need to start with my banks. So nice and easy to get us warmed up this morning. I'm going to do my 11s. I'm just going to start with about 6 we're going to go for. And then I'm going to put my number in my bus stop. Okay, so first of all, how many 11s go into 2? Well, there is 0, so I can carry that across. So now I'm looking at my 23 there. So how many 11s in 23? There's 1. 2 11s, so put my 2 up there. Don't forget that bit. That's the bit that people always forget. So there's 2 11s, and then we write 22, because what we're doing now is we're working out how many we've got left. We could do that one in our heads, but when we get to bigger numbers it becomes a little bit tricky, so we just want to get in the habit of doing it this way so that when we get to those bigger numbers we remember exactly how to do it. So now we're doing 23 take away 22, so we can work out our remainder, which is 1. We don't need to do any calculation for that one. We can do that one mentally. So now we're imagining we're carrying that remainder over here, but instead we're going to bring that 4 down so it's less confusing for us. So now it's how many 11s are in 14. So we know there's 1. So again, pop that at the top. So we've got the 1 there. And then we're going to take off 11 to find out our remainder, because 1 times 11 is 11. So again, we can do that one mentally. We've got 3 left over. And we want to bring that 8 down to join us down here. So then it's how many is in 38. So 1, 2, 3 is in 38. So my 3 goes up there. And then I'm going to put my 33 underneath so that I can work out my remainder. So 33 to 38, my difference is 5. And so there I've got my remainder 5. Okay. Don't worry if you get stuck with this one today. Come back to my example and work through it like I've done, okay? And if you are finding it a bit tricky, please, please, please don't get worked up about it. Just do the best you can do. But obviously, hopefully we'll be in school very soon. And if you are struggling with this still, I'll be able to help you out then. So please don't get worried if you get stuck on this one. Just do what you can do and leave it if you are feeling really, really stuck. Hope to see you soon. Bye.